Children, now we are with the class 4 of volume 2. I have selected the ninth problem. A man on a cliff observes a boat at an angle of depression 30 degree. Let AB be the cliff, AB be the cliff. Here a man observe, from here the man observe the boat here, and it will be with 30 degree angle of depression. This is 30 degree angle of depression, 30 degree, and after 3 minutes, listen to the question carefully, which is sailing towards the shore. It is sailing towards the shore, and after 3 minutes, to the point immediately beneath him, which is sailing towards the shore to the point immediately beneath him, 3 minutes later, the angle of depression of the boat is found to be 60 degree. Now, when we observe here, it is 30 degree and it is sailing towards the shore, and 3 minutes. From here to here, when it comes, it has become 3 minutes. The angle of depression has taken place 60 degree. So, here this is 60 degree. Means this is 60 degree, this is 30 degree. 30 degree. This is 90 degree. Angle of depression is 60 degree. But from here to here, the time has been taken 3 minutes. Listen to the question carefully. Assuming that the boat sails at uniform speed, from here to the foot of the cliff, the boat will sail at uniform speed. Uniform means constant speed. Determine how much more time it will take to reach the shore. First question, how much more it takes the time to reach the shore. Second question, the speed of the boat in meter per second if the height of the cliff is 500 meter, and we have to find the speed of the boat. Speed of the boat has to be found out. First we will find the second question and later we will find the first question. Now same way it has to be taken. First, this is from here to A, B, C, D. Let me take. Now the time taken by the boat to travel from C to D, it has taken 3 minutes. That is the clue. We don't know the distance, but we know the time it has taken. We know that speed is equal to D by T. We know time. We have to find the speed and also we have to find this distance. Yes. Now, not the distance. Okay. Now here what? Let it be. Yes, BD. Let it be taken as BD itself. In triangle, ABC. AB by BC is equal to perpendicular by base is equal to tan 30 degree. AB is 500 meter by BC is equal to tan 30 degree means 1 by root 3. Now BC cross multiply. When we cross multiply, we will get BC is equal to 500 into root 3. Take it as 1. Now second case, in triangle ABD, same way, AB by BD perpendicular by base is equal to tan 60 degree. AB is 500 meter, 500 by BD is equal to tan 60 is root 3. When you cross multiply, we will get BD is equal to 500 by root 3. 500 by root 3. Now here, Now here, BD, this is distance, this is 500 by root 3 and this whole thing is 500 into root 3. We know that we want to find this DC. We know that BC is equal to BD plus DC. BC totally it is BC 500 root 3 is equal to BD is 500 by root 3 is plus DC. Now DC is equal to 500 root 3 minus 500 by root 3. Means this is kept here and this is taken to this side. It has become 500 root 3 minus 500 by root 3. DC is equal to, take the LCM. Then we will get here root 3 and here 500 root 3 into root 3 minus 500. Root 3 into root 3 gets you 3. So DC is equal to 500 into 3, 1500 minus 500 divided by root 3. That gives you 1000 by root 3. DC is equal to 1000 by root 3 and this is the distance. We have to calculate the speed. Speed is equal to, distance is 1000 by root 3 divided by time. Time is 3 minutes. 3 minutes is equal to 60 into 3. 60 seconds into 3 is equal to 180 seconds. Because we have to meter per second. So we will get divided by time, that is 180 seconds. 180 seconds. Now speed is equal to 1000 by root 3 into 1 by 180. 0 get cancelled with 0 and here 9, 2 9s are 2 50s are. That gets you 50 by 9 root 3. 9 root 3. This is the speed. Anyway, we have calculated in this way. Okay, 50 by 9 root 3. Now 50 by 9 root 3. Now rationalize the denominator, multiply it by root 3 by root 3. Then you will get speed is equal to 50 root 3 by 9 into root 3 means 9 into 3, that is 27. Now this can be taken as 50 into 1.732 divided by 27. That gets you, when you multiply this 50 into 1.7, that you will get means this get cancelled and finally we will get 8 point 7 8 8 plus 3 8 plus 3 11 11 plus 2 27 3 8 15 3 9s are 3 0 point 3 5s are 3 7s are 7s are and 3 4s are. Okay, finally we will get here 8 point simplification. Here, when we multiply 50 into 1.732, we will get 86.60 divided by 27. When we divide it, we will get 3.207. That is nothing but we will get 3.21 meter per second. This is the speed of the boat. The speed of the boat is 3.21 meter per second. Please go through, children, this. We will go for the first part of the question. The first part of the question is, that is, how much more time it will take to reach the shore. Means, from C to D, it has taken 3 minutes. How much more time it will take from D to B? We have to find out. That I will rub out this part and I will give you. Now, this part I am going to rub out and I will. Here speed we have got. Let me rub out this part. We know that BD is equal to here, only this part I will leave it off. Now here BD is equal to, this is the distance of BD. We know that, we want to know the time. Speed is equal to D by T and time is equal to D by speed. So we have to find the time what it has. Distance we know well, that is 500 divided by root 3 divided by what is the speed we have got, that is, let us take down this itself, that is 50 by 9 root 3. I am taking this part, as it is, because once again the calculation goes typical, so I am taking that part. That is nothing but a time. This is time and this is distance. Now 500 divided by root 3 into 9 root, when inverse, 9 root 3 divided by 50. Root 3 get cancelled with root 3. 0 get cancelled with 0. 5 ones are 5. And that is 10 into 9 gets you 90 seconds. 90 seconds. So here 90 seconds means it has to be converted to minutes because they have given here with minute. So the final answer is 90. Time taken. Time is equal to 90 divided by 60 gets you 1.5 minute. The time taken by the boat to travel from D to B is 1.5 minutes. So I have rubbed out the first part and I have given this. This is the answer for the first question and this is the answer for the second question. Take down so clear.